Hello everyone, my name is Jamie and I'm a drone pilot for the West Midlands Fire Service, and I form part of the drone team that are there to support you from the sky. Today I'm here to show you what our drones can do. We currently have a fleet of 13 DJI drones. We have 6 Mini 2s, 6 Mavic 3Ts and 1 Matrice M30T available 24 hours a day. Our drones give us the ability to support the incident commander to identify risks and hazards on the incident ground. Our drones are automatically deployed to all incidents of 4 pumps or above and other significant incidents such as water rescue. The drones can assist in a range of incident types including tall buildings, building fires, RTC and wildfires. If an incident commander feels that the drone could assist in any operations, it can be requested through fire control. They can enhance the incident commander's situational awareness and help inform priorities and operational tactics. Our drones can get to places that were previously difficult to reach. They can fly higher than our hydraulic platforms, and they can get close to areas on the incident ground without committing our crews into the risk area. Whilst having the ability to fly is great, our drones wouldn't be much use if it weren't for the exceptional payload, which includes a 4K camera which is attached to the front of the drone. The cameras of our drones include features such as up to 200 times zoom. The footage that we capture with the drones can be live streamed back to fire control or shared anywhere around the world, which allows for further direction or greater analysis. But our drones can see more than just what our eyes can. The thermal capabilities of our drones is invaluable to our service. We can quickly identify hotspots and reignition points, enabling us to focus our resources more effectively to these areas. We assist external partners such as police to search for missing persons. If we know a rough location of where the person was last seen, we can set the drone up to fly looking for heat signatures. The drone can be set up to fly autonomously. If we detect a heat signature range, we can then fly in for a closer look. The M30T comes with various attachments, such as a light and loudspeaker, which can be used to broadcast information, such as safety alerts and advice. Whilst our drones serve an excellent purpose supporting our response function, they also support other areas of the organisation, such as carrying out roof surveys and supporting corporate communications. In the future, we hope to expand our fleet to include drones that can fly indoors and into smaller enclosed spaces, something that our current drones cannot do. We hope that this has got you just as excited as we are about our fleet of drones and how invaluable they are to our service and the communities that we serve.